Let's look at one more inequality, but now we have to use the dashed line tool key. Okay, so we again have two linear inequalities. Y is less than 3x minus 4 and y is less than or equal to x plus 5. So I'm going to click on to enlarge. I want to graph the first linear inequality, and I can see that the y-intercept is 0, comma, -4. So you go back to the line tool and find 0, -4. You go down on your y-axis until you are right on 0, -4. Left click with your mouse. The slope of this particular linear equation is 3 or 3 over 1 positive. So that means I'm going to go up 3 tick marks. Oops, I went over too fast. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, and 1 over to the right. So I'm going 3 units up and 1 unit to the right. And I click on the left mouse, and now you see, first of all, it's a straight line, but since the equal sign is not included, you have to make it a dashed line. So you go over and you click on make selected object dashed. So now you have a dashed line, and we shade below the line. So here's my shading tool, shade below the line. Here you go, since it says less than. Then I go on to graph the next linear inequality. I go to my line tool. In this case, the y-intercept is 0, 5, and the slope is 1 over 1. So, oops, you go up 1 and over 1. Now this would be a solid line. Since I'm still in dashed line mode, I have to go over here and now pick the solid line object, just like that. And again, this says less than or equal, so we shade below the line, which is right here. Now, where do they intersect? They intersect in this region. So this now line has to go, and I click on the X. Now you go ahead and save it. Check your answer. Nice work. Okay. So this is how you graph lines that have dashed lines. Email me if you have any questions.